Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals in text questions. So join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In text question, problem 2.3, the Vivid Bharati station of All India Radio, Delhi, broadcasts on a frequency of 1,368 kilohertz. Calculate the wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation emitted by transmitter. Solution. We have the following given values. We have frequency equal to 1368 kilohertz, and we know that speed of wave is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. To find the wavelength, we know the relation that wavelength is equal to speed of wave divided by the frequency. So we just have to put the value in the relation. Lambda equal to c divided by nu. Lambda equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 upon 1368 into 10 raised to the power 3. So after division, the wavelength, lambda, is equal to 219.3 meter. Now we will do the next question in next lecture. Thank you for your attention and keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.